Hey, I'm Bahrul. I'm really excited to announce my brand new course called Bing Ads Domination. This is something which has taken me literally thousands of hours and years of testing, tweaking, refining and failing, but what I now have here is simply going to blow the doors of everything else out there to do with affiliate marketing. Underground method of Bing Ads revealed. A step-by-step guide to the cheapest traffic you have ever gotten in your life. 15 minutes from right now. Now I am not saying Facebook isn't a powerful platform to advertise on, but let's advertise smarter, shall we? Facebook is only powerful with a seasoned pixel, and if you don't have pixel data, then you are shoveling your money into the dumpster. How about Google AdWords? Maybe you are getting traffic from Google PPC. If this is the case, you are on the right track, because this is hot traffic. People are searching for your solution. What can I expect from Bing Ads Domination? A guide to finding diamond keywords that convert like wildfire on Bing. A step-by-step playbook you can use as a reference to do it over and over again. My personal Skype to chat about strategies. Discounted $100 Bing coupon codes for my customers as they become available. How much is getting traffic that converts and seeing repeatable success worth to you? Why? Because this wouldn't exactly be a Guru Slayer edition if only a couple people could afford to get in on the secret, would it? But besides that, I truly want to give you a breath of fresh air and teach you something that is going to significantly improve your advertising and help you finally start making some real cash. Not to mention make you realize that not everyone on the internet is putting garbage out. I strongly believe you will be benefited by using it. I hope that you can enjoy it very much. All of the descriptions are below. Get free this video is below. Thanks.